ready to vibe? Diva Brat's Dash Way is here to scorch the dance hall, and he's coming for Khago, Shawn Storm, and even Kartel. Dash Way by Diva Brat is an unapologetic diss track filled with raw energy and precision. He's not just talking, he's taking shots at his competition with no hesitation. Me aim fi D heart, me dash with D weak. Diva Brat is bringing the heat. He's going straight for Khago with me dash with Khago. Dem no bad, dem a joke. Then turning his sights on Shawn Storm with Shawn Storm walk and a carry feelings. Don't baddie up the war, keep it to yourself. Go back a GP to your man in a cell. He even calls out Vybz Kartel with me rise like Kartel. Me dash way the fake kings, making it clear he's not here to play. The beat hits hard and his flow is just as aggressive. This track is all about dominance. Diva Brat's not just throwing shade. He's making sure the whole dancehall scene knows that anyone who ain't real is getting dashed way. With me lyrics sharp like a blade, me cut them down to size, he delivers a lyrical knockout that demands respect. I'd give this track a solid 8 out of 10. It's fierce, aggressive, and relentless. If you're looking for a track that commands attention, Dash We hits the mark. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated with more fire reviews.